Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Nilesh Verma, your English teacher. Today we will study the topic omission of articles. In the previous video we have studied articles a and the, and today we will study that where we don't use articles. This topic is for class 9 to 12th. So these are the points where we don't use articles. Point number 1, before proper nouns. If any proper noun is given, we don't use any article. Like the Ram killed the Ravan. So the and the before Ram and Raman will not be there because Ram and Ravan both are proper nouns. Second point, before the names of days and months. If there are the names of days and months, we don't use any article. Like the Monday and the May. This is the name of a day and this is the name of a month. So we don't use here the Monday. Only Monday will be there and May. Next point, before the names of material and abstract nouns. If any material noun or any abstract noun is given, we don't use articles. Like the gold is a costly metal and the honesty is the best policy. So when material noun and abstract noun is used in general sense, we don't use any article. Only gold is a costly metal and honesty is the best policy. This is the correct sentence. But if abstract noun and material noun are used in a particular sense, we will use article the. Like the gold of your ring is not pure. Here when we talk about gold, this is connected to all the gold in the world. But this gold is related to only the gold of ring. Okay. So this is a use of particular sense. And here also the honesty of this boy. This honesty connected to this boy. So here honesty has been used in a particular sense. So here article the will be used in both the sentences. The gold of your ring is not pure and the honesty of this boy is remarkable. Okay. Next point, before disease or meals. Meals means food, name of food. Disease, any disease, before the name of any disease we don't use article, like fever, cancer, etc. So we will not use the fever or the cancer. Only fever and cancer will be there. In the same way, breakfast is a name of a meal and lunch also. So we don't use article here. Only breakfast will be there and lunch, not the breakfast and the lunch. Okay. Next point, before the names of mountain peaks. When we were studying the use of article the, we studied before the names of mountain ranges, we use article the, like the Himalayas. Okay, so then Himalayas is a range of mountains. But here, this is we talk about only a single mountain peak. So we don't use article before mountain peak, like Mount Everest is a single peak. Okay, so we will not use the Mount Everest, only Mount Everest will be there. In the same way, Mount Abu is also a name of a peak. So we don't use the Mount Abu, only Mount Abu will be there. Next point is before the names of our relatives. When we talk about our relatives, we don't use any article like father, mother, brother, sister, uncle. So we will not use the mother, the father, the uncle. This is incorrect. Only mother, father and uncle will be there. Before any language, when we talk about any language, we don't use any article like the English or the Hindi. This is incorrect. Only English and Hindi will be there. English is spoken all over the world. Hindi is the language of our India. Okay. Last point is only two diseases are there when we use articles. The measles and mumps. These two diseases are there when we use articles the measles and the mumps. Rest The other disease we don't use article the. So this way we have studied here where we don't use articles. These are the points and you have to study these points very well. Thank you.